you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Are you as excited as me? Are you as excited as me? Because today I'm going to be sharing my double luxury designer Christmas presents from the Lion. The Lion bought me 2 designer things for Christmas. I was supposed to have one as my main Christmas present, and then something happened and he bought me another one after we'd already got one. So we've got 2 things, one of which no spoilers at all. All I'm going to say is, if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, as I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then get down there, hit subscribe, turn on the bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am planning on being a lot more active on Instagram this year, 2024, the year of the gram. So I've got 2 things that the Lion gave me for Christmas, 2 main Christmas presents, one of which was a wishlist item, and I'll share that with you first. The other thing was a complete what item, and that came from Fendi, and as I said in my what I got for Christmas video, I'm completely blown away. Wasn't expecting it at all, and then it happened and I was like, okay. The first thing that the Lion gave me for Christmas is in this dust bag. Now, we ordered this from Harrods, so I don't have the kind of shopping bag or anything like that to go with it. It is from the designer, if you can see on the dust bag, which I've got to say, this is a fairly meaty dust bag. The designer is J.W. Anderson, and no, it's not a pigeon or a frog, but it is ridiculous, and I was shocked when the Lion said, you know, I quite like that. And it is, oh my god, the Lion is going to hate this. He's really, really going to hate this. For so many reasons. So many reasons. It is this. It is the J.W. Anderson from my wish list. I'm not going to be able to get this out. Oh, I've got it. I've got it. It is the crocheted fish bag. This is ridiculous and it is fun, and this was on my wish list and I wanted it for summer. I wanted it because we live by the coast now. Even the little bag charmy dangly thing is a JW, and it is an anchor. No, it's not an anchor, it's a hook. It's a hook for the fish. Online, these things, you never know what they're going to look like in real life, but I've got to say, impressed. When I opened this on Christmas Day, I was impressed with the build quality of it. Look at this. This is really thick. This isn't flimsy. This is not flimsy at all. Okay, so a couple of things on this fish. We've got these wonderful gills. We've got the spine. We've got the tail. We've got all of these wonderful scales and like a little finny thing on the bottom. I don't know what it's called because I'm not really into fishing myself. The Lion is into fishing and holds fish with great regard, and that's one of the reasons I thought he would absolutely hate this. So it's got this strap here that feeds into the schnoz, and it opens with this little kind of buttony thing here, and there you go, that's opens up and you can pop your stuff in there. There's a little leather tag saying J.W. Anderson there, and you can see that the, I don't know what you'd call it, the strap comes through, and you could actually undo that and take it out completely and wear it as a clutch, but it has got options. It's got surprising options. You could just carry it like this, like you've just caught the thing. You could carry it over your shoulder. You could crossbody it, but I think that might look a bit silly. Listen, I know it's a ridiculous bag, but there are ways to wear it, right? This bit here has a corresponding little buttony thing here that can go over. And I didn't see this on all of the product pages where I found this. Only one of them showed this. So let's move that little hook thing down here. So now you've got yourself a shoulder bag. It's ridiculous, it's fantastic. I absolutely love it. It is in neutrals. Okay, it's a raffia, not a raffia. It's a crocheted bag. So summer. Summer. But I am going to have a play when I do my winter whites. And I think it could be a fun little winter whites edition. Interested to know your thoughts on that one. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I have a feeling that it's going to stir up some strong emotions, not always positive. Right, we'll move on to the second thing that the lion gave me from Fendi. Yes, it's from Fendi. It's not big. It's not big like the bag would suggest. The bag is big because this was bought on the same day as my birthday Fendi. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link that down below. All bought on the same day. So let me get the box out because it does come boxed. No. Any ideas? Any ideas for this box? Okay, let's get into it. This box, I believe, is a jewellery box. It is not jewellery. But Valentina packaged it up in this box. We've got this kind of Alcantara and it's got Fendi stamped into it. Oh, hello, tiny dust bag. And what do we know comes in tiny little dust bags like this? Only tiny little handbags. Oh, brace yourselves, kids. Brace yourselves. You are not ready for this. We have my fourth nano baguette, and this one is almost entirely encrusted in crystals. As Dale has pointed out, there are bits around the edges where it is not, and the suede shows through. But look at this. I will try and get a shot in natural light where you can see the crystals pinging, ping, 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 ping. Oh, she's an absolute beauty. Just look at the crystals. Just look at them. Look at the crystals. Look at the FF. Look at the silver hardware. Yeah, silver hardware. This is my first baguette with silver hardware. You've got the oversized buckle with the suede behind it. The same suede. And this does feel quite different from my others because it is on suede. It is so soft and malleable. We've got the same kind of setup in here. You've got the one slip pocket at the back, which is in this kind of metallic leather. And then the rest of the inside is all suede. And you've got the chain, crossbody chain, that has the little doobry so you can make it taller. Not taller, you can shorten it. I personally prefer the old chains on these nano baguettes where you don't have this. I have tried on one of my other ones to use this as like a little belt thing for a little belt, to turn it into a belt bag, and it hasn't worked out quite so well, so I generally just leave it fully extended. Now, this wasn't, strictly speaking, on my radar. This was not a wish list item like the other piece was. And it is a little bit of a lie to say that it wasn't, strictly speaking, on my radar, because basically anything that Fendi does is on my radar. So while I thought this was absolutely gorgeous, and when I was looking at these crystal pieces that were in Fendi's autumn, winter, whatever, Christmas collection, whichever collection it was, I never know which collection these things are from, it wasn't really on my radar. I looked at the mini baguette and thought, oh my gosh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I looked at the regular size baguette and I thought, that is absolutely gorgeous. And when I picked this up, we were in the ground floor of Harrods. We just met up with Valentina. She just picked up, she hadn't even got the bag out, I think, for me to look at. Had she? I can't remember. It was really early doors. The lion was talking to Valentina about something. I said, I'm just going to have a little run up and down here before we go upstairs to ready to wear for the appointment proper. And I picked this up out of the little selection of the nano baguettes, and I showed it to the lion, and he instantly pointed at it and said to Valentina, I'm going to get her that for Christmas. I think he loves these things more than I do now, and that's saying something because I am slightly obsessed with the nano baguette.
They're very lovely, and I do like them, and they have completely won me over. I thought they were a little bit of a joke, but they're great. Oh. But you don't need any more than 3. Oh.
No. I got all excited then because I thought, yay! I can get some more.
No.
Yeah. But it was just an instant thing. The only thing that would have stopped him from buying this for me was because he really loved the Fendigraphy Mini in the all over crystal. And he did say to me, with what I'm buying for you today, for your birthday and for Christmas, you could have the Fendigraphy Mini or in crystal encrusted one of those. And I thought, it's beautiful, it's cute, I did play with it, I did try it on, I did like the look of it, but to be able to have the pink mini baguette in Napa leather and this nano crystal baguette in suede and crystals, this was for me. Surely this is for me. I opened this on Christmas morning along with my fish, and I thought, which bag do I take to the pub when I dress up for our Christmas lunch? I took this one. Of course I did. I took this one. I took a couple of little photos while we were there. I wasn't feeling very well. It was at the height of my lurgy, so I didn't do a get ready with me or anything like that I had been planning on doing. But I did take a couple of pictures of this little cutie in situ, and the lion couldn't take his eyes off it. I couldn't take my eyes off it. My 4th nano baguette, and undoubtedly the most amazing, the most special of all of them, because the girl sparkles. I'm wondering if I could hang this off the handle of my Ms. Prada crystal. What do you guys think? I know at least one of you out there has a baguette in this crystal finish. I'm looking at you, C. I know you've got the big sister to this tiny little baby cutie. I'm in love. Mostly I'm in love with the lion. He makes impetuous decisions on the spur of the moment. We weren't going to get anything for me from Fendi for Christmas because we had already got me this from J.W. Anderson for Christmas, plus my other Christmas presents. So utterly spoilt, completely blown away. Let me know your thoughts on these two. I should imagine the favour will swing quite in favour of the Fendi rather than the J.W. Anderson. But I can honestly say I love them both. I think I'm thrilled with both of them. Crochet and crystals. What more could a girl want for Christmas? I hope you have enjoyed this final reveal of what I got for Christmas and my birthday series of videos. There's been quite a few of those. I've been quite spoilt. If you have enjoyed this video, please show it the thumbs up love. Leave me comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye.